Today I'm going to do a video on using the ADX indicator. It's one of my favorite indicators, and it works pretty well in finding the start and the end of trends. I've tried it with binary options and Forex, and it works pretty good with both. And as you can see here, I took a trade here, or I marked a trade here. You might ask why, and I'm not really very technical to explain the whole thing, but I'll do my best. But there are plenty of videos out there explain it. Basically, you have a positive and a negative line, and this is the ADX line. Now, when you have the ADX line over the 25 line, and it's heading up, regardless of whether it's an up or down trend, that is showing the strength of the trend. What you want here is to see, as you can see here, the red line, which is the negative line, or the line for downtrends, has crossed the 25 and it's heading up with the ADX line. And if you mark it, when this happens, you're in a downtrend. And as you can see right now, we're in an uptrend because the ADX line is turning up, the green positive line is heading up, and it's both of them are over the 25 and the price is going up. So you can apply this indicator to whatever system that you're using, whether it's as I use the binary destroyer a lot, you can add it to that, which I have done in the past, and it helps a lot. Whether you just want to do naked price, naked charts with no indicators, and you just want one indicator or two indicators to help you out, that's fine. You can use it as a confirmation of your candlestick patterns, whatever you think that can help you get the edge. As you can see now, the green is coming back down, as you can see here. So this will probably, you'll probably see the, well, until that line turns, it's still going to be a upwards market until the red line crosses over. So if you're in this with a Forex trade, say for 10 pips or something like that, you only would have got 2.5 pips there. So if it would have been a 15 minutes, you would have got a good Forex binary trade out of it. Anyway, what I was saying is that the thing that I like about this indicator, it really does help you find the beginning of trends, especially on the higher time frames. So, like this is a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you need the ADX to be period of 14. Under the 1 hour, probably I've been told 10 is a better period to use. So it probably won't look 100% right, but in the 4 hour, as you can see here, price crossed above there. The ADX line is already over and it's heading up. You jump in there for 8 hours and you pull some nice pips. Or you could do one candle, two candle binary. You probably can't do binary with this as being 4 hours. So anyway, you could have pulled a nice day trade out of that. Pulled yourself 73 pips. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. I've had a couple of people ask me why I stopped doing videos. I stopped doing videos because I've been involved in a group called the Binary Destroyer, and it's not right that I put the videos I do for that group in here. So as I said, I just showed you I'll just show you. I think I've got an ADX hooked up with BD. I'm not sure. Yep. Okay, so this is the binary destroyer here. It's a pretty well known indicator now, and if you want to know about it, contact me. I'll get you in touch with the guy who owns it. Great for confirmations for this indicator here. As you can see, price has gone well outside the buy area. You've got an arrow if you want a confirmation of that arrow to make sure that you're not getting into a pullback or false reversal or whatever people want to call it, like here. So up, down. We're on the 5-minute chart. Oh, stop moving. As you can see down here, we've got the arrow. You've got the green line is above the 25, or the 20 in this case. The white line, being the ADX line, is well over the 20 line, even though it's starting to come down. That's a good confirmation. 6 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would have lost that if you went for 30, but 15 you would have won, and an hour you would have won. And for binary, easy get 10 pips. 10 pips would have been somewhere here, would it? 8. 10 pips about there somewhere. So around about a bit over an hour and a bit. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Have a good day.